All right, thanks for tuning in to the live stream, everybody. We are gonna do the entire space weather video live there, and it didn't quite work out that way because let's just say there were some technical difficulties with some of the software. So that's why the video is coming out so late today, and that's why I'm making this live stream because the software didn't cooperate. So anyway, it should be an interesting one today as we see coronal mass ejections. So look for the video to be coming out in about an hour. The reason it's so late is because we were trying to set up different software, and it's not only less intuitive, it just doesn't function. So this all has to do with the phasing out of Google Hangouts live streaming capabilities with screen sharing, and we've got smAsho staff over here trying to assist, and it's not helping. We got a big fat thumbs down. So if you just saw the live stream that went up, that that wasn't that wasn't anything. I don't even know what the audio said, what the video was. I have no idea. I haven't even looked at it yet. So again, we do watch all the videos after we put them up because there's no telling what could actually be displayed on YouTube versus what we actually have on our own files. It's all a mystery how the algorithms work, folks, and they change practically every day. So all I can say is I'm going to cover one segment that I was going to do in the live stream on this full camera live stream while I read from this tome of knowledge, which is the Merriam-Webster Deluxe Dictionary with a copyright of, I don't know. It certainly doesn't have the word Google in it, though. Let's just put it that way. It's got a copyright of 1998, so it's a pretty modern dictionary. I just wanted to read one word through the book of infinite wisdom here, where, of course, many of you have probably gone on dictionary rabbit holes where you look up a word which has it in the definition, another word that you don't know the definition of, and then you look up that word and you end up looking up 50 words about things like pee-pees and wee-wees. Anyway, the definition I'd like to read is from the French. It's from a French dialect. The word cretin, or cretin, perhaps, depending on how you like to pronounce it. A lot of you UK folks like to say cretin, I've noticed. And the definition, it's a noun, and it's from the Latin. From the Latin for Christianus, actually. Apparently the Latins weren't too enamored with Christians at the time that the word was being used. And the definition is one afflicted with cretinism. The second definition is a stupid, vulgar, or insensitive person, a clod or a lout. Now, when I first read the word cretin in the dictionary, it was referring to a specific type of idiot from the Alps. And frankly, I don't know what the hell that means. But in any case, look for the video coming out in about an hour. It's not because I slept in. It's because we were trying to wade through the through the waist deep quagmire of programming code known as live streaming software. We won't tell you which one we're using, but you could probably figure it out because it probably puts its name unnecessarily into the description or something like that. So we apologize for the odd thumbnail that makes no sense that we can't seem to change using Google's software or using our live streaming software. And again, we will get the live streams eventually going, folks, where you're going to see the patrons are going to see the live streams first, and then everybody else will have to wait. People will only get clips. We'll be limiting the content on YouTube, so enjoy that. And believe me, there's good reason behind it. Anyway, the whole operation will be better as a result. And So yeah, look for the video coming out in about an hour. It's currently 6:20 a.m. Eastern time. Do you know where your coronal mass ejections are?